Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for HTML and CSS. Figma is an incredibly versatile design tool, perfect for crafting web interfaces. It allows teams to collaborate in real time, building prototypes and layouts efficiently. You can inspect designs to pull out exact CSS values, and various plugins help streamline the code generation process, making your workflow much smoother. Once your design is ready, extracting CSS from Figma is straightforward. Simply select any element on your canvas, and the Inspect panel on the right will reveal its corresponding CSS properties. You can easily copy individual declarations or entire code blocks with just a few clicks. This feature saves significant time, ensuring pixel-perfect translation into your web project. Converting your Figma design to HTML involves translating visual elements into structured markup. You'll manually identify semantic HTML tags like header, nav, or section for your components. For faster development, explore Figma plugins that can automate initial HTML generation. Always review the output carefully, ensuring the code is clean, accessible, and follows modern web standards for optimal performance. For a seamless Figma to code workflow, adopt best practices. Keep your Figma files meticulously organized with clear layers and reusable components. A consistent design system ensures developers can easily translate elements into code. Foster open communication between designers and developers. Finally, always test your HTML and CSS rigorously across multiple browsers and devices to guarantee a consistent user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.